This is a Dragon Nest Desktop Graffiti Challenge. Are you aware of this? Meron ba sa inyo nag-participate dito? No? Okay, so this graffiti challenge, they're going to showcase the desktop here on stage. So you may take a look at it and judge it yourself, okay? By applause, okay, doon natin malalaman kung sino yung winner.
So, wala talaga sa inyong sumali doon?
Okay.
Friends?
And
family
time, would you like to tell them about the prizes?
Okay, so for the Dragoness Desktop Graffiti Challenge, the winner will receive an AMD CPU, AMD RAM, and Red Fox motherboard. Wow, that's the major prize. This is sponsored by Lean and Mean Machines, the best online store for hardcore gaming gear. Yan. Kasi, di ba, pag sa States, merong New Egg. Dito, meron na pala yung Lean and Mean Machines. So, look them up. They have a Facebook page, I think. And let's, tingnan na lang natin, tawagin natin yung mga graffiti.
Ayan. So, they are finally ready. I asked them to. So, come on down, guys.
So, what they actually did, they took the cases and gumawa sila ng mod, parang drawing dun sa cases. So,
of course, Anya, with a Dragon Nest theme.
Yan.
So, come on down, guys. Kaya muli nagtaas ng kamay. Sila to, yung mga artists na
gumawa ng mga graffiti.
Yes, gumawa ng graffiti. Okay, so, guys, one at a time, I'd like you to showcase. Is it heavy? Wala naman laman sa loob. Wala naman. Okay, so I'd like you to showcase it to the crowd one at a time. Okay? So, we will start with your side, my side.
My side na lang.
Okay, sige, go ahead.
Okay, so what's your name?
Cake.
Cake. Asan si Icing?
Wala.
Okay, so tell us about your work.
He's a swordsman character. Pinili ko siya kasi maganda yung forma niya, maganda yung armor na suot niya, kaya maganda yung kulay niya.
So, swordsman ba yung character mo? Naglalaro ka rin ng Dragoness? Okay, so it's a swordsman graffiti on this case.
Okay, and here naman on my side. Hi, what is your name?
Pete.
Pete. Okay, so how old are you, Pete?
20.
You're 20. Where are you from?
Bulacan.
Wow, Bulacan. And how long have you been playing Dragon Nest? Binibilang ko dyan?
May kodigo pa siya.
How long? Gano'n ka nakatagal na naglalaro ng Dragon Nest?
Actually, di naman ako
graffiti.
But
don't worry, if you're hardcore players, tapos gusto niyo pa design yung cases niyo, maybe you can contact them.
Exactly. Okay, so what is your inspiration na lang to do this? Bakit yan ang napili mong character? Kilala mo ba kung sino yan?
Archer po.
Archer. Okay, so tell us more about your work.
Wala. Ganda kasi.
Maganda kasi.
Ang interesting mong kausap. Add mo ako sa Facebook, ha? Para magkakasundo tayo big time, eh.
Para pag tinanong mo sa kanya, ba't mo ako mahal? Interesting kasi.
Yung kasi yun, eh.
Okay.
Kulit. Okay, so back to your side.
Let's, sinong gumawa nito? What's your name?
Milo.
Milo. Masarap ka ba, Milo?
Sweet.
Sweet. Matamis. Yan, so parang tsokolate. So, anong material ang ginamit mo pala para dito?
Bosca markers.
Bosco markers. Bosca. Oh, so ano nang explain mo naman tong ginawa mong visuals?
May sister playing Dragoness. This is her favorite character.
Oh, so yung kapatid. Mahal mo ba yung sister?
Yeah.
She's over
taas
here.
kamay. Ayun, may baby pala.
Okay, hi. Welcome and thank you for playing Dragoness. And because of you, kaya ito ginawa ni Kuya. That is so nice.
Ang sweet
If I may
naman.
ask, how did you learn about the competition? This one in specific.
This is an invitational, the four of us.
Oh, really? Wow.
So, ibig sabihin, sikat na pala talaga kayong mga graffiti artists.
Oh, okay, okay. And how about this next one? It's right here, right? This is yours, correct? Hi, what is your name and where are you from?
Armo.
Almo? Armo.
Hindi mo alam kung armor or what.
Nakakatawa yung mga nasa
Almo
side
daw.
ko, no? Talas na yung energy nila. Okay, sige. So tell us about your drawing. Tell us about this art. of yours?
Yun, basta ganun. English kasi. Tagalogin natin. So, ipaliwanag mo naman itong iyong
Ganito lang yan. May spokesperson ka ba? May gusto ka bang tawagin sa crowd na gustong magsalita para sa'yo? Ay, baka nasa Starbucks lang siya
kasi
sa'yo.
ako yung mag-e-explain para sa kanya.
Sige. Meron ka ba
ito po yung
masasabi
pangarap
dito?
ko kasing katawan.
Okay, sige. Now, I'd like to call at least 3 guys from the crowd who's really a hardcore gamer for Dragon Nest.
Or
and,
modder.
Who's into art as well. I'd like to listen to your comment
Or
about this.
case modder. Sino
Sige,
mga
sige.
case modder
Hardcore
dyan?
Dragon Nest players. Meron ba? 3. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Come on.
Parang familiar faces na naman.
Ayaw mo naman. Sige, come over here.
Come over here.
These 3 guys.
Yan. Ito ang ating mga art critic.
Now, while we wait for them, if I may ask, gaano katagal? This is just one side ba? The other side, meron din? Meron din. Okay, would you like to show it to them as well? Iikot nga natin. Ito, wala. Ito, wala. But these, meron. At saka sa top, meron, no? Okay, sorry, bago ko sila tawagin, gaano katagal na ma-finish yung isang ganitong art? I'm sorry.
Around 4 to 6 hours.
Around 4 to 6 hours. Talaga? Mabilis lang pala gawin yung ganito. Matry namin.
Sige, ikaw gumawa.
Coloring paint. Coloring ano lang gagawin dito rin.
Poster paint.
Poster paint. Okay, sige. Yes, you. Ikaw ano na nagtaas sa kamay. Halika rito.
Yan, si Edward.
Kilala na yun. Parang sawan.
Edward Cullen.
Okay, sige. Hi. What can you say about the art right here? And meron ka bang mapipiling isa? Meron ka bang vote na talagang gustong yun na manalo?
Generally kasi syempre, it's art, so depende sa taste pa rin ng general public. But, nakikita nyo naman na yun nga, katulad ng sa Warrior, it's very bright, very flashy. Katulad din talaga ng Warrior, kita nyo naman ang mga skills niya. Katulad, pati rin yung academic, napakahalo-halo ng pagdating sa classes. So yun nga, parang kinuha nila yung general summary ng isang academic. Tapos dahil nga ito, yung Kali, hindi pa siya nalalaunch na character, kaya parang yan pala na ipapalabas. So parang hindi pa rin natin alam kung ano yung
Wow, so the element of mystery.
The Archer, mukhang na-rush siya, pero yun nga, kung ano pa rin yung pagka-Archer niya. Nandun. So yeah.
Verdict.
Para for my taste, of course, medyo hati ako sa gitna between the Warrior and the Academic.
Do you agree?
Shoutout sa mga kaibigan ko dyan from Springwood.